How to tell if you have a 29-inch dryer made by Whirlpool. If you measure from here to here, the measurement should be 29 inches. The lint filter should be located right here on the top panel, and it could be removed and cleaned by pulling it out. When you open the door on the dryer and you look inside, on the left side you should see the grill where the hot air enters the dryer, and on the right side you should see where the air exhausts the dryer. When you look at the dryer from behind, you should see the controls panel. Below the controls panel, you should see the terminal block cover. And below the terminal block cover, you will find the back panel. If you remove the back panel, you will see the following parts. To the bottom right, you will see the heating element and the high limit thermostat. To the left, you will see the thermal fuse and the operating thermostat. If your dryer has all the parts shown in this video, then you have a Whirlpool made 29-inch dryer, regardless of the brand name on it.